Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Chinese New Year is coming. There's one fish you definitely want to cook, which is the Teochew steamed fish. And usually we will use Chang Chinese pomfret. Interestingly, Malaysia prefer Chinese pomfret. In Taiwan, they actually prefer white pomfret. I think it doesn't matter which is which, as long as you enjoy, all the family enjoy the food together. The characteristic of Chinese pomfret is that it is actually thicker. Yeah, it is very, very thick. The meat is very, very thick. This fish today is approximately coming to 1 kg. Nowadays, very expensive, easily 300 ringgit outside. So anyway, what I did is after washing the fish, I pull out few slits on the fish body and put some ginger, and we sprinkle it with a little bit of salt. Then we are going to do Teochew steam. I have some pickled veggie here, sliced, some big red chili. So there's just more for the color, not spicy. And then some tomato chunks, some ginger, some fresh coriander roots, fresh coriander, more for the garnishing also. And to add more flavor, I'm going to add in some pork lard. Right, so first of all, you preheat your steamer. Then of course, we put in the fish inside in the middle. And wow, this fish is very big. At least 11, 12 minutes, yeah? At least minimum. Right, we're going to quickly make the steamed fish sauce. Give it pork lard. Usually restaurant will put in some either pork lard or some pork belly, yeah? Once you have heated up the oil, we can put in the pickled veggie, especially you want to saute the pickled veggie first. That will help to remove the earthiness of the pickled veggie, if any. And this is ginger. I won't put the rest. Hold on for a while. Basically, oil is used to bring everything together, yeah? Right, next I can put in the potato, the salted plum. I'll leave the chili and also coriander towards the end. Then I'll put in some filtered hot water. Bring it to a boil and let it boil for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to add in a bit of fine salt. Balance with a bit of fine sugar. You can put in my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder if you like. I'm not putting in today. Okay, I don't want to cook too long because if you the longer you cook this, it's going to be more sourish. I'm cooking this for the kids also, so I don't want to make it too sourish. So now I'm going to off the fire, putting in the coriander and also chili, and our steamed fish sauce, Teochew steamed fish sauce, is ready to be used. Let's just wait for the fish. Right, this is after about 11, 12 minutes. I actually leave it there for a while, yeah, for another 1, 2 minutes before I open it, to allow the residual heat to continue cook through the fish further, yeah, because this fish today is actually very, very thick. Oh, it should be fully cooked by now. Let me show you. Can you see the fish? Look at the beautiful whitish flesh. Beautiful, really nice. So there are some fishy water here, stained fish water. I'm going to remove it. That is the source of fishiness, yeah? Sorry, I removed the stained fish water. Already removed all that. So then I'm going to pour in this beautiful broth on top of it. Teochew steamed fish sauce. Last but not least, I'm going to add some fried garlic on top. Right, done. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Happy Chinese New Year to everyone. Bye-bye.